interview. Kuda e-bike is customer part 2.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. Ako po si Alexa Sayaw.
Mhm.
And since narinig po namin na meron po kayong unit ng e-bike namin, gusto rin po namin malaman kung kamusta po yung experience nyo sa Kuda e-bike. So, andito po ngayon para magtanong po ng mga interview questions. Pero before that, pwede po niya ipakilala ang sarili niyo po, ma'am.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa pagdadala po nito ng araw na to. Kasalukuyan po ako po ay sitting Futura Board of Director and at the same time Secretary ng Futura Homes Subdivision San Pedro. And we have decided to purchase a Kuda bike because of the sustainability and because of this is also an eco-friendly bicycle for the community. It is one of our also goals and motivations for the community that we would be having a sustainable and eco-friendly environment.
Okay po. Thank you po, ma'am. And I'll be proceeding with the questions.
Okay.
So for our first questions, paano niyo po natuklasan ang aming e-bike brand?
Okay. From the start, I was also familiarized or became aware of the e-bike because of the eco-friendly features of that because of my former company. I was also an executive assistant of an international logistics and shipping company, and we are also proud to say that the company is also shifting to much more sustainable features of the bulk cargos at the same time. And at the same time, my current executives lives in Norway, and they are also big supporters of eco-friendly environment.
Yung mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit niyo po pinili ang aming e-bike?
Number one is sustainability and eco-friendly, and at the same time, practicality. As we all know, every day, the fuel prices are also getting higher and higher every day, and at the same time it is much more practical at the same time for everyday use. So we are sorting of a shifting from using the diesel, using the gasolines to a much more eco-friendly bicycles or transportation.
Ano po ang mga benefits na naramdaman niyo mula sa paggamit ng aming mga e-bike?
It is much more cleaner, and at the same time silent, kasi hindi siya ganun kaingay. Hindi katulad ng mga motorcycles or mga sasakyan, mga four-wheel drives. Medyo tahimik lang siya, and at the same time matipid. Kasi nga, instead of buying gasolines or lining up to the gasoline stations, you're just only charging the e-bikes, and then at the same time creating the opportunity or just adding some kind of sa electrical bills mo, which is not just hindi siya ganun kalaki yung naiidagdag sa mga electrical bills natin.
Okay po. Meron po ba kayang moment na nagkaroon po kayo ng problema habang gumagamit ng e-bike?
Most of the time, hindi pa naman. Wala pa naman. Just wear and tear features lang naman. Kasi syempre, eventually, kapag everyday mo naman ginagamit ang isang gamit, talagang nagkakaroon ng wear and tear scenario yan. So, open naman ako doon sa mga ganong possibilities at all.
Okay. Pero ma'am, aware naman po kayo na isa po kami free maintenance. So, if ever naman po na magkaroon ng issues sa e-bike nyo, pwede nyo lang po
Yes.
kami tawagan.
Yeah.
So, that will be all for our interview. For your participation, we will be giving you this gift po as a thank you.
Thank you so much, Kuda.
Thank you po.
Okay. I'll be also buying another one.
E-bikes, your best choice sa Kuda #1.